International recording artist R. Kelly found guilty of racketeering and sex trafficking charges. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. US singer R. Kelly has been found guilty of exploiting his superstar status to run a scheme to sexually abuse women and children over 2 decades. 11 accusers, 9 women and 2 men, took to the stand over the swearing 6-week trial to describe sexual humiliation and violence at his hands. After 2 days deliberation, the jury found Kelly guilty on all charges he was facing. His sentencing is due on May the 4th, and he could spend the rest of his life behind bars. The jury found Kelly, whose real name is Sylvester Kelly, was guilty of ringleader of violence and coerced scheme that lured women and children for his sexual abuse. The singer, most famous for the award-winning song I Believe I Can Fly, was also found to have trafficked women between different US states and also produced child pornography. Along with 8 counts of sex trafficking, Kelly was also found guilty of racketeering, a charge normally used against organized crime association. During the trial, prosecutors detailed how his managers, security guards, and other individuals who work with him assist him in his criminal enterprise. One woman who testified that R. Kelly in prison drugged and raped her said in a written statement that after the verdict, she had been hiding from Kelly due to the threats made against her since she went to public with the accusation. The verdict comes 13 years after R. Kelly was acquitted of child pornography charges after a trial in the state of Illinois. Many of the allegations heard in the trial were first laid out in a 2019 documentary, Surviving R. Kelly. Victims were sometimes selected from his concert audience and also people that would have been around him associating with his music. We'll continue to track this story and provide you with more information to comment this. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.